Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Febriyanti Sayekti from Bilingual Mathematics Education 2019. So in this video, I want to explain about the history of mathematics in Egypt. Do you know about the history of mathematics in Egypt? So in this video, we can discuss or we can tell about the history of mathematics in Egypt. So Egypt, which became one of the earliest places inhabited by humans about 40,000 years ago, is one of the most fertile areas in Africa and one of the most fertile countries in the Mediterranean, which is rich in its amazing historical heritage. Not only the pyramids are still standing strong, but the Egyptians were already familiar with mathematics and geometry as we learn today. The Egyptian civilization depended heavily on the fertility of the Nile. The Egyptians had settled in the Nile Valley because of the abundance of water in this river and because they cultivated the land with the water supply provided by the river, which was independent of the rainy season. And Egyptian mathematics refers to mathematics written in Egyptian language. Since the Hellenistic civilization, Greek replaced the Egyptian language as the written language for the educated Egyptians. And since the Egyptian mathematics fused with Greek and Babylonian mathematics, which gave rise to Hellenistic mathematics. The study of mathematics in Egypt continued under the Islamic Caliphate as part of Islamic mathematics. When Arabic became the written language of the educated Egyptian, the ancient Egyptians had known a simple writing instrument resembling paper called papyrus. This Egyptian writing was written from the word papu, which is a kind of plane. The ancient Egyptian numerical system was additive, where the value of a number was the sum of the values of its symbols. They make writing in the form of pictures using a kind of pen with black or red ink. The largest Egyptian mathematical writing is the Gazette, sometimes referred to as the Gazette by its author, dated to 1650 before century, but is probably a copy of an older Middle Kingdom document from 2000 until 1600 before century. The sheet is an instruction manual for students of arithmetic and geometry. In addition to providing area formulas and methods for multiplication, division, and working with fractions, the sheet is also a testament to other mathematical knowledge, including composite and prime numbers, arithmetic, geometry, and harmonic average, and a simple understanding of arithmetic, shift, and the theory of perfect number. It also contains instruction for solving first-order linear equations as well as arithmetic and geometric sequence. There are two numeral systems of the ancient Egyptian, namely hieroglyphs and hieratic. Hieroglyphs are small pictures that represent numbers. The following are hieroglyphs numbers is we can see based on this picture. The explanation of the symbols used are follows. 1. Straight road, 10 heel bone, 100 paper roll, and 1000 lotus flower, 10,000 index, and 100,000 burbot fish, and 1 million is people are amazed. The writing system in ancient Egypt was written from left to right. For example, to create the number 276, 15 symbols are needed, 200 symbols, 7 10 symbols, and 6 1 symbols. These numbers are shown as follows. Okay, we can see based on this picture. And the Egyptian has a base 10 hieroglyph number system, meaning they had separate symbols for units: tens, hundreds, thousand, tens of thousand, hundreds of thousand, and millions. This writing is found in the form of drawings and papers, or strokes on stone or pieces of wood. Ancient Egyptian writing is estimated to have developed in 3400 before century. Okay, that's all my explanation about the history of mathematics in Egypt. I hope this video can be useful for us, and I say thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.